My Daddy Snores. This book is written by Nancy Rothenstein. She is the author. My Daddy Snores. Here we go. And there goes Andrew. On Monday, Daddy's snore boomed like a dinosaur roar. The windows rattled. The walls trembled. So, Mommy played musical beds. She tried sleeping in my bed, but I hogged the blanket. She tried sleeping in Natalie's crib, but it broke. On Tuesday, Daddy's snore rumbled like an earthquake. It shook Mommy right out of bed. So, she slept in the bathtub. But the faucet dripped water on her head all night long. Drip, 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 drip. On Wednesday, Daddy snored chug like a freight train. So, Mommy slept in Hammy's cage, but she was too squished and it smelt funny. On Thursday, Daddy snored buzzed like a bumblebee. So, Mommy slept in the doghouse. Ooh, but poor Rover didn't sleep a wink. He howled instead very loudly. Oh! On Friday, Daddy snored whistled like a teapot. So this time, Mommy made Daddy sleep in Splishy's bowl. But even Daddy's bubbles snored loudly. It wasn't fair to Splishy at all. On Saturday, Daddy snored honk like a truck. Mommy then had a great idea. She made Daddy sleep in our tent. But he woke up all the birds. Ooh! Then the birds woke us up. It was not a great idea after all. On Sunday morning, Mommy looked like a zombie having a bad hair day. No more snoring, she yelled. She took Daddy to the doctor, and the doctor helped her cure Daddy's snoring. On Sunday night, Daddy didn't snore. Our whole house was quiet. Mommy slept, I slept, Natalie slept, Rover and Splishy and Hammy slept until Daddy started talking in his sleep. Thanks, I'd love more ice cream. And that is the end of our story. Dun, 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 dun. The end.